Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix where GPU driver version does not meet the recommended for running Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to uninstall the current driver and install the recommended version driver. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the display adapter section and you just need to note down your graphics card model name guys. After that just need to right click on it and select uninstall device. Check mark this option guys. Attempt to remove the driver for this device and select uninstall. After getting uninstalled done, you can check my video description for the download link for NVIDIA users and AMD users. You just need to select your graphics card model over here and your operating system and your language. After that select start search. And now the driver version listed over here guys. You need to download the recommended version that is mentioned in error message. As you can see, in my case I have AMD driver, so the version is different. But if you are using NVIDIA, then you just need to find the version that is mentioned in the error. After finding it, select the get download option and select the download now option, and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to install this driver guys. For AMD users, you just need to scroll down, select your graphics card model over here. After that select the submit option. Now you just need to expand depends on your operating system, and you just need to find the driver version guys as it mentioned in error message. Recommended version 24.8.1. If latest driver is not available, then you just need to scroll down and select the previous drivers. You just need to expand or depends on your operating system, and now you just need to find the version. As you can see, the same version as recommended. Now you just need to select the download option and download it. Once it gets download done, you just need to install this driver guys. After the installation done, you can restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.